In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this really cool reveal effect in Canva in just a few simple clicks. And we're only using simple elements from Canva so you can follow along in this tutorial. And we're starting from a blank slide. Now first, let's change the background color and go for, let's say, pastel green, see what we can find. And look for some nice colors here. I'll go for this, then go to elements, and here type in mint leaves. Go for photos, and now we want to choose a nice leaf. I think this one will work quite well for our design. So I'm going to scale it down a little bit and put it to the side. Now I'm going to add a text box, and here type in reveal. Scale it up, and let's give it a nice font. Let's look for something creative here. And I think I'll go for a font called Assing. See if we can find it. Let's type it in. There we go. I think this looks quite cool. So also for this, I'm going to give it a bit of a dark green color. So you can type in dark green and then give it that nice color. Now we want to make sure position, we send it all the way to the back so that the leaves can be in front. What we'll do now is we'll increase the leaf, scroll backwards a little bit, and we're going to copy this. So we can Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and then just turn it and place it around. You can always hold the Option or Alt key, I think it is on Windows, and just create some duplicates. Just don't forget to rotate it every once in a while until you sort of fill the entire page. You can always make them slightly larger to cover a bigger part, just until we fill the entire page and we don't see the background anymore, or at least majority of the background is covered. So that's what we want. There we go. Now we're going to right click and duplicate the page. I'll just reduce this in size. And on the second slide, I want to select the elements. So I'm going to select them except for the text. So I don't want to select the text just yet, and make this a little bit smaller. So I'm going to make them slightly smaller, so it's easier for me to sort of rotate them and push them to the sides. So you want to select one and don't forget to rotate or slightly scale them. So we can tweak with the positioning, with the scaling, make some larger, some smaller, and just drag them to the side. So we have that text effect visible. That's what we want to create. And then if we play around with the different sizes, that will give the coolest effect. You can always keep some sort of an overlap with the text if that's what you like. I think this will be quite a good effect. We can read the text and that's what we want. Now maybe it would be good if we also have that text grow in size a little bit. So I'm going to reduce it here. You can't see it, but you can see I selected the text box and reduced it in size. So now if I hover in between the slides, go for transitions and magic move, it will give a really nice effect. I'll put the duration to 2 seconds. And if we now put this on full screen, we can see that we now have the mint leaves, and as soon as we click, they fly away and we reveal our keyword. It can be, of course, any keyword that you like, but it's a really cool effect that you can use in your presentations or designs. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to drop a follow and watch the video on the screen right now.